Good morning everyone! Happy weekend! Welcome to my vlog! Tara na guys, magsumba tayo!
Good morning! Sumbatan, Matawira! Yeah! Guys! Good morning guys!
Good morning everyone! Happy weekend!
Yeah.
Today is our Zumba day!
O, lakad
Thanks
lang.
for watching guys! Panoorin nyo kami guys, aming Zumba! Bye-bye!
Ayan sila guys. Mga Violet guys. Yan guys. O, kukunti na kami guys. The Violet Day. Ayun si. May ano nga.
Tara na guys, simulan na natin ang ating Zumba at mainit na! Ayan guys, ang aking mga kasama! Pahinga muna tayo guys. Ayan. Water. Kailangan may baon tayong tubig guys para hindi tayo ma-dehydrate. Ayan. Cool down na po at medyo pagod na ang mga nanay. Naka 1 hour mahigit na rin po kami guys. Thanks for watching everyone. Till my next video. Done our Zumba today. Tapos din guys ang aming Zumba. Ayan may pawis. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.